Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you want to grow your TikTok account, so this video for you. So if you are new here, I'm Raihan, a freelancer and content creator. I make videos how you can start your freelancing journey, how you can make money online, how you can start YouTube as a business, and digital marketing tips and tricks. And if you are a big fan of AI, so this channel will help you a lot. So to get update videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification button, so when I upload you will get notification. First thing first, why you need AI TikTok videos? You know, creating videos is a little bit expensive though, because you need expensive gears like camera, editing software, and definitely you must have to a good editing skills. And if you want to hire someone, so you will have some good money to spend. That's mean if you hire from Fiverr or Upwork, so maybe gonna for each and every video you have to spend a minimum 32 and a maximum 100 USD for single video editing. But don't worry, AI is a blazing, and you will see different kind of tools where you can create multiple TikTok shorts video. So today we'll be introduce a website. It's called simplified.com. So you can create anything you can imagine with AI on your side. So check this website and you will see AI writer, AI design, AI video, and social media AI. Alright, so our target is to create TikTok video. So you will see there are multiple options where you can create AI image generator. Alright, also you can create AI bulk post generator and AI block writer. So I have already a video that how you can convert your YouTube video into a blog, so please check that video. Also you will see AI subtitle generator. So once you have a video, you can generate subtitle and many more things. So it's a great tools, I think. AI shorts clips. So if you have a long format video, so you can create a shorts viral clips over there. Okay, so click on AI video generator and you will see turn text into engaging videos instantly with AI video generator. Alright, so if you have any particular niche that you want to produce a video, like suppose if you have a travel niche and you want to grow your travel TikTok and YouTube shorts video channel. Okay, so first of all, travel, that's mean you can write it here like top 5. Alright, so top 5 beautiful cities in California, and let's click on generate. Alright guys, so simplified, welcome, let's get started. So you have to sign up. Definitely you have to sign up with your Google account. You can also use your Facebook or email. Okay, so I have already an account, so I'm going to click on login and I'm going to log in with my Google account. So let's click on Google account. Yes, absolutely right. Here you can see the dashboard option there, but this is the option after directly joining from the sign in option. But if you go back to this, and you will see the final dashboard of Simplified. This is the final dashboard, and you can see this is the account section. Also you will see the left sidebar. You can create different kind of team spaces and projects such as templates. All right, and the pricing section over there. All right, if you want to upgrade now. Okay, so guys, I always request you to before upgrading any tools, you should learn about the tools, particular tools, because nowadays you will see different kind of tools. Maybe it gonna scam. That's why you should spend good time and learn about this and make sure the tools is 100% valid. Okay, all right guys, here you can see all the tools available there. Okay, and quick tools over there and different kind of templates. Pretty much looks like Canva template or something like this. Today we are not going to explore each and everything. We are just going to click on directly generate AI video. Okay, generate with AI and create with AI. Here you can see the 4 options available there. AI video clips, that's mean if you have any long format videos, I will show you later another video. If you have audio clips and AI subtitles and AI text to video, instantly transform text into stunning video. So click on that and later we'll see how we can generate. Okay, maximum 20 words and if you want to set like any targeted audience and locations, it would be better. Okay, also is for better results. Just mean a specific location is for better results. And the second option is provide a script. So if you have any script, you can just give a title 20 words and also you can write a script over there. Also you can generate AI 500 words. Okay, also if you have any links where you can want to create a video, that's mean link to video, so that should be the perfect option for you. So let's try with our, just give a topic. So I'm going to type, as we already wrote it here. All right, so I just wrote it here, top 5 beautiful cities in California for traveling. Okay, also a targeted location, we can set a target location. So just grab the location California, that's it, and any targeted ages, no problem. So it would be perfect for travelers. Okay, so let's click on next. All right, so our video about is traveling and best 5 cities in California. Okay, and the left hand sidebar, so we have some settings over there, like the select size, which is really important. So let's click on that and you will see the 3 options. That's mean that this option is 9:16, the perfect for shorts video and TikTok videos, and 16:9, and that's mean it would be the perfect for YouTube videos, long format videos. Okay, and also for the Facebook videos 1:1. Okay, so let's click on 9:16, and here you can see the select AI speaker. So you must have to select AI speaker. So let's find something here. So in this tutorial I'm not going to mess, so that's why just click on AI speakers and you will see the US, and there are multiple voice. So here you can see, if you click this, so maybe it will get you the paid version, that's why. So don't worry, just click which is not a star mark. Okay, so let's click on the young female corporate American salary. All right guys, and add media. So all I check this out, let AI picks. Okay, so if you have any stock images, so as we are using AI, so we are not worried about our stock footage. So maybe AI will help us to create images and stock footage, something like this. And let's click on the personalize your brand book default. Okay, a creative label and selecting tone professional. Okay, perfect. So our settings is perfect. So it's time to create. Okay, and let's see how it create. Okay, so click on generate. So stay tuned, have a good day, tata, bye bye.